What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. So finally, after months of waiting, George's GTR is back on the lift. His new turbos are here. The transmission came back, so it's time to put his car back together. That's what this video is obviously going to be about. I'm tired. It's early in the morning, but I figured at least get a start because I'm going to do this today. I wasn't going to record for y'all because it can go a lot faster if I don't record, but I can't leave y'all hanging, right? Y'all saw it come apart. Y'all got to see it go back together. So this is one of his stock turbos. Look how tiny it is. Oh, isn't it cute? It's crazy how two of these little things make 600 horsepower on that thing. Now he got the AAM competition 900R kit, which comes with 230s. It goes to the stock manifold. So we had to send him in the stock turbo manifold. It looked like they cut it right here, so they could machine the back housing to fit a bigger turbo wheel. And then they send us a bunch of lines and stuff. I'm actually upset with them because they didn't give me no instructions, and they gave me a whole bunch of parts, and we can't even figure out what goes where. So I'll be calling them today to figure out where all this stuff goes. No instructions, and look like it's missing stuff. Alright, so after, I don't know, a week of like dealing with the BS from AAM, parts missing, they having to overnight me stuff, we finally got George's new turbo kit on, and the motor's finally ready to go in. So put the motor in today, and hopefully we can drop the tranny in and get his car back alive. But then it's gonna still sit again because you got more stuff you want to do to it. Alright, so I didn't plan on working on this thing all day today, but this car insists that I must work on it all day. I had some more problems with the damn wastegate, AAM. Anyhow, we're gonna try to get the tranny in one time, and then I'll take a break from this and get back to work. Regular work. Not working on George's car like I always do. So, I don't know if I talked about it before, but he got a Shep 2.5 built trans now, with all the extra bells and whistles, so he can do all the cool stuff you want to do now. I already dropped subframe from the car, and I'm gonna get them to give me a hand so we can throw it on there, because this thing is heavy. I think it weighs like 380 pounds. You want to say what's up to the people now? No? That's better. He's working on it, guys. So the George car, engine's back in, exhaust is on, built transmission's in. We gonna get the first startup on it right now. Oh! First startup on it right now. Motherfucking Ford Ranger! Oh, it's alive! It's alive! Nah, it probably got some coolant on it.
That bitch says, squeak, squeak, squeak.
It's alive again. Ain't running months, but it's alive.
Yeah, quiet down, girl.
Alright, so yes, George's car is back together. 3 days later, it's still on my lift because George is extra and he wants all the extra stuff. So what can I do? Car is up, back and running. We've yet to drive it yet. We haven't tested out the transmission, the new turbos, any of that stuff. We've been too busy over here putting on air suspension. My dog George wanna be low, so we're doing air suspension all around. You're getting 2 pumps in the back, an air tank, all that yada yada. So, you know, big boy George over here, you know, gotta get that air ride so you can not hit curbs and stuff. So, we got his exhaust off, we're putting all that stuff in. I don't think I'll be doing a video on the air ride, that's why I'm showing it to y'all right now. So, it's gonna have air ride. I mean, it is what it is. You still gotta find some wheels, have some air ride. Next video, hopefully you just see it slammed. See you guys next time. Appreciate y'all for watching. You know, like, share, subscribe. You know, put on that notification bell. You know, I'm getting better at this YouTube stuff. I'm glad y'all here with me. See y'all next time.